Hi, are you excited to get started with the machine learning training? We definitely are. Machine learning is one of the most sought after technologies right now, which is expected to impact billions of people in the coming years. But before we deep dive, let me give you an overview of the concepts we will be covering in this training. This training has 10 different modules. In the first module, we'll go through the basics of machine learning and we'll understand its types that are supervised and unsupervised machine learning. In the second module, we'll understand what is data and how it is represented. In the third module, we will learn the Python language. Python is the most popular programming language for machine learning and is evolving fast. It will be our tool to develop complex machine learning models. We will start with the basics of Python. We will first learn how to write simple codes and then we'll gradually move to writing functions and implementing complex logic. Next, in the fourth module, we will dive deeper into the data exploration and preprocessing. We will be looking at the standard plots for visualizing the data from different perspectives to gain insight from them. Moreover, we will also be working with some tailor-made functions which we will build from scratch using a library called matplotlib. In the same module, we will learn about complex and advanced preprocessing and manipulation techniques with the help of Python libraries like pandas and numpy, and even build a few from scratch. Next, from module 5 to 7, we will be looking at baseline model, evaluation metrics and validation techniques. Using the concept of first principle and natural intuition, we will begin with the data modeling process with the simplest techniques and build upon those simplest techniques to result into our first baseline predictive model. Here, we will also learn different ways in which we can perform feature engineering and perform them in Python. We will also be looking at different models to evaluate our predictive models and discuss the pros and cons of each evaluation metric. Then in module 8, we will learn about tree-based models in machine learning. Again, using the first principle approach, we will intuitively build up the standard and the well-known machine learning model all the way from understanding how the algorithms work to implementing them in Python. After that, in module 9, we will jump to advanced machine learning algorithms like ensemble models and combine the predictive power of multiple machine learning models to generate better and robust predictions. In the last module, that is 10th, we will be looking at clustering, which is an unsupervised learning technique. Also,